Hello traders, in this video we're going to go over trade number 38 of the SPXL Day Trading plan. Now normally I show myself exiting these trades live, but the trade was exited automatically for me, and I'll show you all the details of that, the implications, and the results so far of this trading plan. Just in case you're new here, I'm going to show my intro video. If you've seen it before, just fast forward about 3 minutes and you should be up to speed. So let's cue the intro right now. Welcome to Trading Armor. My name is David, and as of the recording of this introduction, it is August 15th, 2022. I've been actively trading the stock market for over 2.5 years now. I'm going to use this introduction for many videos, so check the date of the one you're watching right now. It's probably much more recent. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back and feel free to skip over this intro. But if you're new around here, thanks for stopping by, and allow me to introduce myself and give you a few reasons as to why you may or may not want to stick around. My journey as a trader began in May of 2020, and like most new traders, I quickly realized that trading is not as easy as most people make it out to be. In fact, it's downright difficult. Luckily, even when I was new, I approached it with caution, which kept me from blowing up my account. Eventually, I realized that if I had any chance of being a profitable trader, that I needed not only a good strategy, but a well thought out and written day trading plan. I also needed the discipline to trade that plan exactly the same way every single day. I get my discipline from forward testing all of these trading plans by taking 100 trades or more, collecting the data, and from that data I can produce statistics. Once I know my statistics, I can go into the market with some expectation of what's going to happen, and that makes it very easy for me to stay disciplined and stick to my plan. We've already proven a small cap trading plan profitable after taking 100 trades, but we also proved that plan was quite tedious to trade. So right now, I am currently forward testing 2 new trading plans. One of them is for active day traders, people that want to trade the market every single day right at the open. That plan is called the Top Gainers Trading Plan, and the other plan is quite different. Both of them can be traded individually or simultaneously. The other plan is for people that may not be around during market hours or just don't have any desire to sit in front of charts all day. That's the SPXL Day Trading Plan. Now, both of those trading plans have their own playlist on my YouTube channel, so you can check those out. Now, it's important to know that I am not a professional trader. I have absolutely no formal financial education. In fact, my first degree is in music, and later on I went back to school for physics. Yeah, physics. And I just recently finished a master's degree in medical physics, and I know all of that might sound really strange, but apparently I have a curious, creative, and problem-solving mind, which allows me to approach trading in a novel way. So stick around if you'd like to watch me try and apply my odd educational background and unique life experiences to the very unusual world of the stock market. Thank you. Okay, we should be back live now. So this, once again, this is the SPXL Day Trading Plan. We back tested this plan during the worst trading of the market that I've seen since I started trading, and that was from the beginning of 2022 until about May of 2022. About this time, this is when we were back testing, and obviously the market was in a big downtrend. By the way, SPXL is a leveraged ETF. It tracks the S&P 500. It multiplies its moves by 3 times, so that's what makes it so great for day trading, but could be very risky for long-term holds, because if, say, the market drops 33%, SPXL will drop about 100%. So anyway, but yeah, so we tracked it during this time where it's in an obvious downtrend, and the plan was profitable with a win rate of about 65–66%. And right now, actually, I'm kind of going from here to here, but we back tested it from here to about here. And then we started trading it about that time. So we've been trading it from this kind of late May until now, which overall kind of looks like a sideways move when you look at that whole time period, with some uptrending going on. And the trading plan has been quite profitable. The win rate is about the same, believe it or not, as it was during this downtrend. So that's kind of interesting. And you can see today's daily candle looks pretty scary. Big red candle. We basically were triggered into this trade and then out of this trade very quickly afterwards. I'm going to show you all the details of that. But the trading plan is kind of built to protect you from these kind of crazy flushes. Obviously, ideally, you wouldn't get triggered into a trade on a day like this at all, but we did because this candle broke out over the previous high there. So let's take a look at a smaller time frame and we'll see exactly where we were triggered into the trade and where we were exited out of the trade. So this is the 1 minute chart. We're still trading today. It's 11:47 right now. Let's see. Let me just get the... Okay. So this green line indicates where we were triggered into the trade. So we stayed out of SPXL during all of this, and then we were triggered right on this 10-11 candle, and then we were triggered to exit the trade, and all of this was done automatically. The entry and the exit were done automatically just a few minutes later at 10:31. So we were only in the trade during this period right here, and that's it. The trade is over. We're done trading SPXL for today. Everything was kind of done automatically for us. So all that we have left to do on a day like this is enter the data into the spreadsheet, which I've already done. You're going to see the trade right down here, trade number 38. And there's the entry, there's the exit, there's the loss. We're only trading with one single share right now because we are test trading this. This is the overall P&L. We've only gone back a few winning trades because of today's loss. Today was a max loss day, which has only happened one other time. It was on trade number 21 since we've been trading this test plan. So that's kind of interesting. We've gone 38 trades and we've only hit that max daily loss twice. And we're still quite profitable. We can look at the overall statistics of the plan. Out of 65 total trading days, we've taken 38 trades. P&L is now just under $15. Again, I mean, we don't expect big numbers because we're just trading one single share. We are forward testing this with real money, but one single share because we haven't taken 100 trades or more and proven this thing profitable with real money yet. It is so far, but I want to take it to 100 trades. So win rate is about 63%. The back tested win rate was about 65-66%. So we're in the ballpark there. 24 wins, 14 losses. Average cost 77.88 because we're just trading one single share. And our ROI is still over 19%, which is quite good. And now our average losses are slightly larger than our average winners. And that was basically due to today's loss. And our win-loss ratio is now 0.98. So our wins are, again, slightly smaller than our losers, but we're still early in this trading plan. And this is our total P&L curve. And you can see that yesterday we broke out new highs, and today we are back down below the previous highs, but not by much. So nothing to be concerned about here. I'm still really happy with all the results of this trading plan. And I love that it's so automated. There's very little time needed to be spent by the trader looking at charts or entering in orders or anything like that. I would say at the very most, you've got about 5 minutes a day. And there's some days where you're not going to be doing anything. You're not going to be triggered into trades. Your orders will just be out there. So that's what I really like about this trading plan is there's very little time investment from the trader. And so far it's profitable even with that kind of simple concept in mind. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. This is the SPXL day trading plan. It is profitable so far after 38 trades, but we want to take it to 100 before we decide just how profitable it is. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit targets, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.